Am I the only one who doesn't have a washing machine? When I moved into my new apartment, I noticed that the bathroom was kind of small. And because it was kind of small, I thought it might be a waste to get a washing machine. In my head, I thought to myself that it would just be a lot easier to be able to go to the laundromat where I can just wash my stuff once or twice a month and I don't need to worry about a washing machine. But that is great and lovely in summertime because I can pack all my stuff and take a nice little stroll to the laundromat. It's around 10-15 minutes away, or I could take one of them little scooters because that is another form of transport that is available to someone here in Helsinki at least. But the weather looks kind of difficult to ride scooters in today, and despite the fact that there are no scooters anymore because of the weather. It's not exactly warm, to be honest. Regardless of what the weather looks like, I still need to wash my bloody clothes. I just love putting on like fake fireplaces. And look at this, I just got new paintings. I thought they looked pretty awesome. I just got them from Amazon. I'm telling you, one of the best ways to handle the winter is to make home feel like home. At least that's what I've personally noticed. But now this home needs some clean clothes, so we need to go do that. It's not as bad as I thought it might be, but it's bad. So it appears that I am done, and now it's the journey into the cold, into the white fluffy snow, and to the laundromat. Exciting stuff. So let's go. I don't know what's going on. I won't lie, there are a lot of other things that I would prefer to be doing with my time right now than freaking doing laundry. But this is the price I have to pay for having more space in my apartment. And I also hate the idea of hanging my clothes and stuff in the house. I don't know why that just annoys me. I hate the idea of coming home and there's like a clothesline on my balcony or in the lounge or something. That would be so annoying. So I kind of think it's worth it. I'd be interested to know how you guys handle this. Do you just handle it by having a bigger apartment? This is one thing I hate about snow, is when it starts getting all brown and stuff. So it takes about 30 minutes for that to get washed, and then I have to put it in another one of those areas to dry it for another 30 minutes. I know Finland is safe, and I preach about the safety of living here all the time, but I genuinely hope that my clothes are not stolen. This is hitting all the right spots. That was nice. I'm nice and full. But to be honest, I prefer cooking at home. But the food was still good, and now I'm gonna go get my clothes and head home. It's getting dark already. It feels like I've been spending the whole day doing clothes and stuff, but that is not true. I'm gonna try and see if I can't get myself some public transport, at least halfway there, you know, because I don't feel like walking as much as I did. This felt like quite a big mission, to be honest. But I thought it might be interesting to film such a normal day in the life of, you know, because it's so tempting to only show the most exciting things. Skydiving, jumping into a pool of ice water, you know, but this is actually a lot more challenging. Just freaking washing your damn clothes.